a quick email or video on how to evaluate just 3 quick examples of integrals, antiderivatives. So if we have x minus 1 to the 1/2 and we want to find the antiderivative, we're going to use the power rule. So it's going to be x minus 1 to the 3/2 because we add 1 there. And then we divide by the whatever the exponent becomes. So divided by 3/2 is the same as 2/3. Multiplied by 2/3. And since the derivative of the inside is just 1, we don't have to do anything. It would just be plus c. So we can always find the derivative of what we get and see if we get the original. So if I find the derivative of this, we're going to bring down the 3/2. So 3/2 times 2/3 is just 1 times x minus 1 to the 1/2. So we do get what we started with, so we know we did it right. Antiderivative of cosine is sine. So this is going to be the sine of 3x, but since the derivative of the inside is 3 and we're doing the antiderivative, we're going to divide by 3, so it'll be 1/3 sine of 3x plus c. Again, finding the derivative, the 1/3 floats. The derivative of sine of 3x is cosine of 3x times 3 because of the chain rule, and then the 3 and the 1/3 divide off, so I have cosine of 3x is what we started with. Last example, I have integral of 1 over x to the 1/3, so that is the integral of x to the negative 1/3 dx. So again, using the power rule, I'm going to add 1 to that, so it'll be x to the 2/3. And we have to divide by what we end up with for an exponent. So dividing by 2/3 is multiplying by 3/2 plus c. So finding the derivative, 2/3 times 3/2 is just 1x to the negative 1/3. So we subtract it, so we get 1 over x to the 1/3, which is what we started with. Hopefully this helps.